Welcome to Know It All, a place to connect with researchers to answer all questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more. This episode on what is cloud computing was created for you by Abigail. In this topic, Know It All will answer: what is cloud computing? What are the advantages of cloud computing? What are the different types of cloud computing? What are cloud computing services? In recent years, the term cloud computing has become increasingly popular, and it's not hard to see why. Cloud computing has transformed the way we store and access data, and has revolutionized the way businesses operate. In this article, we will explore what cloud computing is, its types, services, architecture, security and privacy concerns, and the future of this technology. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, software, and analytics, over the Internet, the cloud. In other words, instead of relying on a local server or a personal computer to store and access data, users can use cloud computing services to access resources and applications on demand. Cloud computing has several characteristics that make it a popular choice among businesses and individuals alike. Firstly, cloud computing is flexible. Users can scale their resources up or down as needed, without having to worry about the technical aspects of managing their own infrastructure. Secondly, cloud computing is cost-effective. Users only pay for what they use, and don't have to invest in expensive hardware or software. Finally, cloud computing is reliable. Most cloud service providers, CSPs, offer service-level agreements, SLAs, that guarantee uptime and performance. There are several advantages of cloud computing that make it an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. Firstly, cloud computing allows businesses to access computing resources and applications on demand, without having to invest in their own infrastructure. This means that businesses can be more agile and respond to changes in market demand more quickly. Secondly, cloud computing allows businesses to reduce their capital expenditure, CapEx, and operational expenditure, OPEX. Instead of investing in expensive hardware and software, businesses can use cloud computing services on a pay-as-you-go basis. This reduces the need for upfront capital investment and allows businesses to better manage their cash flow. Finally, cloud computing allows businesses to improve their scalability and flexibility. With cloud computing, businesses can scale their resources up or down as needed, depending on changes in demand. This means that businesses can avoid over-provisioning or under-provisioning, and can optimize their resource utilization. There are three main types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud. Public cloud refers to cloud computing services that are provided by third-party providers over the Internet. These services are available to anyone who wants to use them, and are often accessed through web browsers. Public cloud services are typically offered on a pay-as-you-go basis, and users can scale their resources up or down as needed. Some examples of public cloud services include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. These providers offer a range of services, including infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Private cloud. Private cloud refers to cloud computing services that are provided within an organization's own infrastructure. Private cloud services are typically managed by the organization's IT department, and are not available to the public. Private cloud services offer greater control and security than public cloud services, and are often used by large enterprises that require high levels of security and compliance. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud refers to a combination of public and private cloud services. With hybrid cloud, businesses can use public cloud services for non-sensitive workloads, while keeping sensitive data and applications in their own private cloud. Hybrid cloud allows businesses to take advantage of the scalability and flexibility of public cloud services, while also maintaining control and security over their sensitive data and applications. Cloud computing services can be divided into three main categories: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, is a type of cloud computing service that provides users with virtualized computing resources, such as servers, storage, and networking. With IaaS, users can deploy and manage their own applications and services on the cloud provider's infrastructure, without having to worry about the underlying hardware and software. Some of the advantages of IaaS include scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. With IaaS, users can scale their resources up or down as needed, depending on changes in demand. This means that businesses can avoid over-provisioning or under-provisioning, and can optimize their resource utilization. Additionally, IaaS is a cost-effective option for businesses that want to avoid the upfront capital investment required for their own infrastructure. Some of the top IaaS providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. These providers offer a range of services, including compute, storage, and networking. Platform as a Service, PaaS. Platform as a Service, PaaS, is a type of cloud computing service that provides users with a platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications. With PaaS, users can focus on the application development process, without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure and middleware. Some of the advantages of PaaS include faster application development, improved collaboration, and reduced operational costs. With PaaS, developers can quickly build and test applications, and collaborate with other team members in real time. Additionally, PaaS can help businesses reduce their operational costs by automating many of the tasks associated with application deployment and management. Some of the top PaaS providers include AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Microsoft Azure App Service, and Heroku. Software as a Service, SaaS. Software as a Service, SaaS, is a type of cloud computing service that provides users with access to software applications over the Internet. With SaaS, users can access applications on demand, without having to install or maintain software on their own devices. Some of the advantages of SaaS include accessibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. With SaaS, users can access applications from anywhere with an internet connection, and can scale their usage up or down as needed. Additionally, SaaS is a cost-effective option for businesses that want to avoid the upfront capital investment required for software licenses and hardware. Some of the top SaaS providers include Salesforce, Microsoft Office 365, and Google Workspace. Thank you for listening. For more answers to questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more, don't forget to subscribe to Know It All.